can't escape her grip. That girl is stunning, has my heart about to skip. I got this feeling that I'm falling in too deep. My mind is reeling, she is stealing a better part of me. I should've seen it coming. Could've turned and walked away any day, yeah. But I would not change nothing, no. She is taking over me, yeah. That girl's gonna get the best of me. That girl doesn't need a reason. She could do anything and it's alright, alright. That girl's gonna get the best of me. That girl's got my heart believing. I would give everything I've got and give it all for that girl. Her eyes are water in a deeper shade of blue.